This is a level 2 functional skills maths practice paper from Highfield. In this first part, you can't use a calculator, but you can use in the second part. So we're going to look at each question one by one. In a multi-pack of biscuits, there are 12 custard creams, 12 bourbons, 14 shortbreads, and 15 digestives. What fraction of the biscuits are custard creams? So write the answer in the box below. Custard creams, there are 12 of them, so 12 out of the total, which is 12 and 12, 24, and the 14, that is 38, and the 15, that is 53. So 12 out of 53. Calculate 6 cubed, take away 8 divided by 2. Write the answer in the box below. We know through BidMath that we need to do indices first in this case. So we're going to do 6 cubed, which is 6 times 6 times 6, which is 216, and then take away 8 divided by 2. Then in between subtraction and division, we're going to go for division first. So 216, take away 8 divided by 2 is 4. So divided by 4. And now we do subtraction. So 216 take away 4 is equal to 212. Question 3. Calculate the median and the mode of this set of weights. We've got 9 kilograms, 84, 51, 12, 90, 27, 28, 42, and 51. Write the answers in the box below. So I'm going to work out the median first by putting them in order. I'm going to start with the smallest, which is 9 kilograms. And then we've got 12, got 27, 28, 42, 51, another 51, 84, and 90. Crossing them out both sides to see what number or two numbers are in the middle. So we've got 42 in the middle, so 42 is the median. In terms of the mode, the most occurring number is 51 because that's the only one that appears twice. The rest of them appear just once. So 42 the median, 51 the mode. Question 4. You volunteer for a charity that provides clothing. You are sending a shipment. 1/6 of the items are jackets. 2/5 of the items are trousers. The remainder are tops. What fraction of the items are tops? So we've got 1/6, 2/5, and the remainder being tops. Let's work it out. So we're going to add these two first, 1/6 and 2/5. Finding a common denominator, we could just go for 30. To get from 6 to 30, we multiply by 5. So I'm going to do the same with the top number to keep the fraction the same. So that is 5/30. And to get from 5 to 30, we multiply by 6. So I'm going to do the same to the 2. So 2 times 6 is 12. So we get 5 and 12, which is 17/30. So that's what represents the jackets and the trousers all together. And the question is about the tops. So from 30 over 30, we take away 17 over 30. And that leaves us with 13 over 30. 13/30. You are sending another shipment containing 200 pairs of shoes. There is an equal number of men's, women's, boys' and girls' shoes. For each, there are 3 different sizes of shoes, small, medium and large, in the ratio 2 to 2 to 1. You pick one pair of shoes out of the shipment at random for a quality check. What's the probability that the pair you pick out is a small girl's pair? Show your working out and write the answer in the box below. Okay, let's find out. So there are 200 pairs in total. And they are split into men's, women's, boys and girls. So since they are equal in number, that is 200 divided by 4 gives us 50. And then all of them are split into 3 different sizes. So we've got for the girls' pairs, which is what we're interested in, we've got small, medium and large. Now these are split in the ratio 2 to 2 to 1. So small, this is for medium, and the 1 is for large. So in total we've got 2 and 2 and 1, so 5 units. So the 50 is going to be divided by 5 to work out how many for 1 unit. That gives us 10. So this one in here, the large, has 10. The medium is 2 lots of 10, so that is 20. And the small, 2 lots of 10, again 20. So 20, 20, 10. What's the probability that the pair you pick out is a small girl's pair? So small is 20. 20 out of the 200 pairs. We could simplify this further, and that would be, if you divide by 10, you get 2 over 20. Divide by 2, 1 over 10. Question 6. You are creating an advert for a billboard on the side of a building. Below is a diagram of the space you have available on the building. Diagram is not to scale. What's the total area of the space you have available for the advert? Show you working out and write the answer in the box below. There are different ways I could work it out, but the simplest one would be to complete this piece in here, complete a rectangle, and that would be the area of the whole thing would be 7.5 times 6, and then we'll take away this one here. So let's work it out. 6 times 5 is 30, so 0 down and 3 carried over. 6 times 7 is 42, and the 3 is 45. We've got 1 decimal place and 0 here, so 1 in total, so we'll go 45. 45 squared meters. Now we'll take away the corner. Let's work it out. So we've got this length here, which is going to be worked out by taking away 4 from the 6, so that is 2 meters, and this length here, which is worked out by taking away 3 from 7.5, so that is 4.5. So 2 lots of 4.5 divided by 2, because it's a triangle, that gives us 4.5 squared meters. So 45, take away 4.5, that gives us 40.5 squared meters. And that answers the question. The company selling the billboard is offering a discount. The regular price of the billboard is £620 per month. They're offering a discount of 12.5% from the regular price. What's the new monthly cost? So we need to take away 12.5%. Since this is a non-calculated paper, I'm going to work out 10% of 620 first, and then the 2.5%, which is a quarter of this. So I'm going to divide that by 4. So 10% is worked out by dividing by 10. So 620 divided by 10 gives me 62. Now the 2.5%, that is 1/4 of this. So I'm going to do 62 divided by 4. How many 4s would fit into 6? That would be 1, and we'd have 2 remaining. How many 4s would fit into 22? That would be 5, and we'd have 2 remaining. Okay, so we put a decimal point here because we run out of whole numbers, and we'll put a 0 down. So how many 4s into 20 now? And that is 5. So 15.5. So we've got 62 and 15.5. 7. So 77.5 is the discount. So 620, take away 77.5. We've got 0, take away 5, which means we need to borrow 1, and we can't borrow 1 from this 0 in here, so we're going to borrow 1 from this 2. So we make that a 1, and this becomes a 10. Now I can borrow from the 10 to make it a 9, and this becomes a 10. So 10 take away 5 gives us 5. 9 take away 7 gives us 2. 1 take away 7 means that I need to borrow 1 from this and make it 11. So 11 take away 7 gives us 4. 5 take away 0 gives us 5. So £542.50. And this is the end of this paper.